Are you looking for a way to diversify your investments without having to manage multiple funds? Let us look at multi-asset allocation funds. In this video, I'll explain what they are, how they work, and why they could be a smart addition to your portfolio. Basically, multi-asset allocation funds are mutual funds that invest in a mix of asset classes such as equities, debt, and commodities like gold. The goal is to balance risk and reward by diversifying your portfolio through a single investment. Think of it as a one-stop solution for navigating market fluctuations. These funds dynamically allocate money between different asset classes based on market conditions. For instance, when the stock market is booming, the fund may invest more in equities. During uncertain times, it might shift towards debt or gold for stability. This automatic rebalancing helps optimize returns while reducing risk, and this being its biggest USP. So why should you consider these funds? First, convenience. You don't need to track or manage multiple investments. Second, diversification. Exposure to various asset classes reduces your overall risk. Third, flexibility. Fund managers adjust allocations based on market trends, so you don't have to. And the best part is yet to come. These funds are suitable for all types of investors, whether you're just starting or already have experience. While multi-asset allocation funds offer convenience and diversification, there are a few important points to consider before investing. Let's look at market risk first. Although diversification helps reduce risk, it does not eliminate it. Different assets perform differently under various market conditions, and there is always some level of uncertainty. Second, performance consistency. Not all funds are created equal, right? Some funds may perform better in certain market conditions than others. Always review a fund's past performance and the reputation of the fund management company before making an investment. Third, expense ratio. These funds are actively managed, meaning that a fund manager makes decisions to adjust allocations. This management incurs costs known as the expense ratio. Be sure to check this fee as well, as it can impact your returns over time. Remember that while these funds are overseen by experts, it's always a good idea to align them with your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. This concludes our detailed overview of multi-asset allocation funds, which are an effective way to diversify and balance your investment portfolio. Before you invest, be sure to conduct thorough research, compare various funds, and evaluate how they align with your financial goals. Remember, making informed decisions is crucial for successful investing.